Hey, what's up, guys? Today is January the 30th, on a Thursday, out here in the Suwanee, Georgia area. I have a special guest with me. This is one of my cleaning colleagues. His name is Thomas. He's out of the Clearwater, Georgia area, and he has we've been knowing each other for years. We've met at the conventions, some of the Mikey's Fest. We've cleaned together at some of the charity events. So what we're doing here, guys, today, this is a job for a contractor. The contractor installed these floors about 2 or 3 months ago. They got glue residue all over the floors, cannot get the glue residue off. The homeowner initially wanted the floors replaced. The contractor actually found me on YouTube. I came out here, I did a demo in front of the homeowner showing her that we can get the glue off, and now we're able to save the floors and also save the contractor, the company, a lot of money so they don't have to replace these floors. So let me flip this around and show you what we got going today. All right, guys, so again, we are in beautiful Suwanee, Georgia. This is a gated community. All right, so let me show you what we're going to be doing. This is all upstairs. And then after this, we have a consultation to do in Beaufort. I just got a few, I booked 2 new consultations today. All right, guys, show you what we got going, and I introduce you to Thomas, and he's going to be with me today, tomorrow, and Saturday. He requested and paid for a 3-day ride along. Most of my students do 2 days, but I do have guys that say, no, Courtney, I want to do more. So Tavares is getting the water. So let me show you guys. All right, so these are the floors we're going to be doing. Christian actually came out and moved the furniture this morning. I gave the contractors Christian's number, so they moved the furniture, and we're not going to be putting any application back on this floor, just removing the glue and buffing the floors out. Also, too, got 2 Google reviews yesterday. A job that I did a month ago left me a review with pictures and this hallway. And that was the homeowner actually when I showed her the demo. So guys, these floors are really light, but you can barely see, like right there, there's glue residue. So it's kind of all over, and what we're gonna do again is just my simple, it's not simple, but my process to remove this glue. All right, guys. Guys, we got these floors restored back to their original state. The client was finding stuff here and there. We had to do a lot of hands and knees work, looking from different angles. They said they paid 20 grand for this floor, and I wanted to make sure that I achieve success on this floor, so the company that hired me would trust me for future projects. Plus, guys, I never had a job that I could not take care of because of this issue. So the floors have been restored, clean, buffed, back to their original state. It is a beautiful floor too. It has that nice wire brush character of it. When they made this floor, they use a wire brush machinery that knocks the soft grain out of the floor and gives it that unique pattern. So when you feel the floor, you can actually feel the soft grain where it's not in the floor. And then of course coated and UV cured. This is a satin finish. So all right, guys, tomorrow we have a wax removal screen and recoat combo in Atlanta, and Saturday also wax removal recoat and coming. All right, guys, that is going to do it. Thanks for watching.